We are here today visiting our Lakebend project. Why don't you take a second and introduce yourselves?
I'm Leanne.
I'm David.
What was your absolute biggest challenge prior to building your custom home?
We were at a stage where kids had moved out. We had a 2-story walkout. It was more house than we felt we both needed. This was an opportunity for us to retire out in a nice rural area on the river. And we were looking for somebody to build us a one-level custom home that we could stay in for as long as we wanted to.
Something that somebody that was familiar with building along the river, it's a challenge. Somebody that was comfortable building outside of the city.
How has your life been enhanced since building your custom home?
It's been wonderful. Everything's all on one level. We have beautiful views. It's somebody said, wow, it seems like you walk in the house and your shoulders just go down. And they really do. We have everything that we wanted from our old house, but in a new house and all on one level with beautiful views. I couldn't ask for a better place to live right now.
Get up in the morning, sunrise is coming up, go out, sit on the deck with a cup of coffee. It's extremely relaxing. And the house is exactly, at the end of the day, what we were looking for.
What are some of the best results you can share from your custom home?
I love the fireplace. On a winter day and you can see the snow and the cold on the outside, but all the lights coming in, but it's so warm and cozy with the fireplace. And the beams really add a warmth to the room that I didn't think we needed, but they're absolutely perfect.
We wanted something that was a house more than a cottage. We wanted something that was contemporary, but also more relaxed. And you guys actually managed to take what we were looking for and design that and build that. And we got a nice balance of everything. It's the best of a cottage and a house blended together. So.
Nailed it.
What's your favorite feature of the home?
I love the sunroom and I love the views looking out over the river. Walk out into the yard, walk down the hill to the river. You don't feel like we're in a community with 2 houses on either side. It feels like we're on an isolated island, even though we're not. So again, we have the best of all possible worlds.
The wine room.
The wine room is a nice feature, yes.
It brings a piece of art into the room. It's not just a way to display a collection. It enhances the design of the room.
What would you say to someone that's on the fence about building a custom home?
Lots of decisions to be made, but you'll end up with exactly what you want. What I loved about you and Amanda is that you were with us every step of the way. When we wanted to change our minds, you let us change our minds. You gave us guidance when we didn't know what direction we were moving in. When I wasn't sure what I wanted for light fixtures, Amanda would come up with a couple examples, and she, after a couple meetings with her, she had just nailed our style. She made it okay for me to take my time to look to see exactly what I wanted, and she also made it okay for me to change my mind if I didn't like something I had picked out.
No, you guys are extremely patient with us as we moved through the design phase and went from almost building a 2-story again to finally getting it back down to the 1-story we were originally looking for.
If you want specifics, you're going to get it from a custom build.
Yeah.
Can you summarize your experience with Pine Creek Homes?
Amazing.
One of the greatest aspects of it was having the interior design features in-house along with the home construction. I mean, Amanda was terrific. You were terrific. When we'd sit down in meetings and we go, well, we're not quite sure about the layout of this room. You guys sat there with the CAD drawings and you changed things around for us.
You'd take the measurements of our furniture and move it exactly where we wanted it. Being able to see the product or have a good idea of what the final product would look like really helped. It's been an amazing experience.
I mean, we worked with a designer before who was not part of the custom builder. I think having the design as part of the custom build package is absolutely a great feature of the relationship with Pine Creek.
Yeah.
So.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Thank you for building us a wonderful home.
Yeah, very, very happy.